Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm in Dallas at the Global NaaS Event, and today I'm joined by the one and only Pascal Menezes. He's the CTO of the Metro Ethernet Forum. Pascal, welcome to my hotshot yet again.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Isabella. Always a pleasure.
You know, you're one of my favorite victims.
Oh, why is that? I don't want to know the answer.
So, Pascal, I think, the industry is moving at lightning speed. What do you think is the biggest advancement that we've seen since the last Global NaaS event?
Well, for us, it's the biggest thing we've seen. The SASE cert has been really huge. We have 15 providers and vendors who've been SASE certified. So now we can bring confidence to the market that cybersecurity will work correctly. And there's not only a pass-fail, but it's scoring to AAA, and all the 15 got AAA scoring. So very, very proud of that accomplishment for the whole forum and the industry, that there's a certification. I think we've got a tremendous amount of enterprise APIs we released now. So not only we do APIs on the ecosystem, but now we've released the enterprise. And today we also announced another API on the enterprise around SIM, this incident maintenance API that the Enterprise Leadership Council and the MEF wanted. So we released that too. And I think third, finally, is, we basically see that we've added in to our APIs all kinds of other services than just carry Ethernet. So we've got wavelengths now available. We've got SD-WAN. We've done a whole bunch of services on these APIs, and we're adding even more. And we're doing this in 2 weeks to almost a month cadence now. So very agile, very fast. It's almost like being in a startup.
Okay, that's very exciting. So, what major shift can we expect this year? Now that was last year, what can we expect going forward in the NaaS space?
Well, I thought I was just going to relax on a beach somewhere. That's not going to work anymore. Okay, so now I got to do something. But no, we're going to see a lot. I think, we've been talking about network APIs for a while. The idea that applications can interact with networks from a programming development point of view. Developer works with the application and just interacts with APIs with the network. And that's very powerful. And you're going to see us release something like that with our cybersecurity alert API. We're going to talk about that. And we're also looking at how we can augment and work collaboratively with GSMA and TM Forum and Camera with their 5G APIs. How can we bring in wired and wireless together? I think that's going to be a very powerful idea too. And I think at the end of the day, we're seeing, the journey with AI and Gen AI and how will that all work together with NaaS. And then finally, how do we bring all of our providers, all the enterprise, all the vendors, the ecosystem, the supply chain together in a federated model that allows us to operate and deliver cloud-like speeds that really many enterprises expect from a cloud delivery model. So be able to turn up services at cloud-like speeds within minutes across the global ecosystem, which today is being months to years. It's ridiculous. So a cloud experience should be that. So that's what we're hoping for 2025 and beyond.
So you're a leader in the space. How does the MEF lead innovation and progress in the industry?
Well, first of all, I'm not sure if I'm a leader. That's a questionable thing. You got to ask Nan and Kevin, but I'm just joking. But really, I think at the end of the day, what MEF has done is take a leadership position. We took all our assets and we saw the emergence. Well, network as a service has been around for a long time, but the modern network as a service, which is a cloud delivery model, has not. So MEF took that on last year, took all our assets, packaged it under the network as a service. And now we're going to continue to evolve that. And I think the market's evolving. We're seeing it continuously. Everybody's talking about network as a service offering. It's really, in my opinion, it's really what would happen anyways, because everything's gone as a service. Every service you can think of, from CPaaS to communication platforms to UCaaS to everything is gone to a cloud model. So why wouldn't networks? And so I think we're going to be doing a tremendous innovation. And one of the things we're doing is we've got the accelerator project. So we really move fast. And if we're going to fail fast. We got these payload factories that totally can build in 2 weeks. So that's really fast. We're not going through like 2 years of standardizations. So we're doing a lot of agile things that other STOs don't do. So I'm very proud of the organization, and I'm really excited about being here at the MEF.
Pascal, thank you for another great interview. You never know when it will be the next.
I never know. I might be on that beach. You're not going to get away from me.
And thank you for a great event. It's one of my favorite events, I must say. I think congratulations.
No problem. I put it on all by myself. No, you really they should thank the staff, Lori Berchamp and the staff. And Kevin. They do a phenomenal job. I just show up and they tell me where to go and I go.
You just show up and look good.
Yeah, I don't know if I look good, but I show up.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.